Hello friends, welcome back to our channel In Search of Research. So in this video we'll look into different statistical tools that are available to check the reliability in quantitative research. So as we have already discussed about reliability and validity in our previous video, just for the recap, reliability refers to the consistency of the instrument. What does it mean by consistency? The questionnaire or the instrument you are using for the data collection and to measure a particular concept, whether the instrument is consistently measuring what you want to measure or not. If it is consistently measuring the particular concept you want to measure, then it is called, then the instrument is called, the instrument is called reliable. If it is not, then there is a question mark on the reliability of that instrument. In quantitative research, the researchers use different tools to check the reliability of an instrument, but one tool, that is convex alpha, is widely used to check the reliability of an instrument. So convex alpha is a tool that is used to check the internal consistency of the instrument. Then next question is, what is internal consistency? So internal consistency means whether all the items are measuring the same thing or not. Because suppose let's say one questionnaire has 4 questions, then whether these 4 questions are measuring the same thing or not, that is called internal consistency. So let's understand this concept of convex alpha with an example. For example, let's say one scholar want to measure brand loyalty. How the scholar will measure the brand loyalty? Either the scholar will adopt a questionnaire from existing literature, or the scholar will develop a questionnaire by himself or herself. Then the next question is, the questionnaire the scholar adopted maybe consist of 4 to 5 questions or minimum 3 questions. Why? Because the brand loyalty is not a simple concept that can be measure with one question. Like if you want to, let's say, measure someone weight, then you can just ask what is your weight, what is your let's say what is your height. That can be measured with a one question, very simple concept, that is one dimensional concept. But brand loyalty is it's a multi-dimensional concept, because when we are talking about brand loyalty, different aspects are there. So a good questionnaire will measure all the aspects. So that's why to measure all the aspects there are 4 to 5 questions. Then next is to measure that questionnaire, let's say the scholar anchored these questions with Likert scale, let's say 5-point Likert scale. Then the respondent will give the response from 1 to 5. 1 is, let's say, for example, that is strongly disagree to strongly agree about a question. So when the respondent start answering this 4 questions for brand loyalty, then how consistently the respondent give score to that questions. For example, if the respondent will give 5 or let's say 5 or 4 score to each questions, then we can say that all the questions are consistently measuring that all aspects of brand loyalty, because the level of agreement of that the respondent is around 5 or 4. Means the respondent is also consistent, means 4, 5, 4 to respond that question. So that is called internal consistency. Then next is we should not get into the technical part, but the score that has given by the respondent, then we can put it that response in software. There are various softwares are available, like SPS is there, and MOS is there, SmartPL is there. The software will calculate if the respondent give consistent answer to each questions, then there is a high chance that the software will calculate the Cronbach alpha at higher level. Means the value that is generated by the software will be high. Means if the Cronbach alpha is high, then we can say that the questionnaire or the instrument we have used is highly consistent. So if we'll get a lower score, then we can say that the questionnaires are not consistent. Means that the questionnaire or the instrument is not reliable to measure brand loyalty. Then what should be the threshold value for Cronbach alpha? Because the value of Cronbach alpha varies from 0 to 1. If it is around 1, then you can say that the questionnaire is highly reliable. If it is 0, then we can say that the questionnaire is not reliable or the instrument is not reliable to measure the brand loyalty, for example. So that is why there is a paper. There are many papers, academic papers, those who are recommended that the Cronbach alpha should be more than 0.7. If you are get the value of Cronbach alpha is more than 0.7, then it is treated as that your questionnaire or the instrument is reliable. So this is all about Cronbach alpha or the internal consistency. And another tool is also there, that is called composite reliability. It is the new version of that Cronbach alpha. So in next video we'll try to look into that composite reliability. And for this video I think this is sufficient, and this is from all from my side. In next video I will come up with the concept of composite reliability. Thank you all, and kindly subscribe our channel.